Okay, apparently this one, whoops, this video is going to be part 4. I didn't realize that my video card was getting full, so it just shut everything off. So, here we go. I don't know what I'm going to do about that big gap. That's a big gap. We'll see. But, just to give you an idea on how big that gap is. It's a big gap. But it's coming along nice. We'll do a couple of tacks on this one. I don't want to keep you guys in here just watching me freaking tack weld this crap. So, on with the video. Have to do something to that. It's up to you. Let's get a couple more tacks in here. Shut you guys off, and like I said, I don't think you guys want to see me do freaking all these tacks and stuff like that. So, all right, guys. This is part 4. I will bring you guys back when I have this all welded up. Probably won't after I weld it, so that'll be a short video. The other thing is you probably don't need to see the grinding, so we'll hold off on that so you won't have to see that crap. Alrighty, guys. I hope you guys have a good one. Take it easy, and we'll see you later. Peace out.